Hey guys, today we're going to take a quick look at the Redgear MP35 mouse mat. Now this is a large format mouse mat and it covers an area of 800 by 300 millimeters on your table. So it's basically designed that you can have this mat on your table, put your keyboard on it and your mouse. Before we get into the details about this particular mat, let's just quickly go ahead and take it out of the box and see what it's all about. So this is the mat itself, which is a fairly long mat, and as discussed, it is designed to keep a keyboard and a mouse on it. So let's just talk quickly about this mat in general. So there are a couple of features about the Redgear MP35 which are actually quite distinctive. One is of course the stitching around the sides, which makes sure that there is no fraying, there is no tearing that happens when you're going to be gaming, or of course over a long period of usage. That's one of the most important things, because your elbows and your wrists are going to be rubbing against the stitching a lot. The surface itself is designed for high-speed tracking, which means if you've got a mouse that has a very sensitive sensor, maybe going all the way up to 16,000 dpi, you can use that on this mat. The third and probably the most important feature about this mat is actually on the back. Now this is a rubberized finish, which makes sure that when you have the mat placed on a surface like so, it does not slip no matter how furiously you move the mouse, or no matter how much you try and shake the table or the mat itself. It locks into place very securely, very firmly, and does not move. So that's actually very helpful for long gaming sessions, especially if you're into playing FPS or even MMORPG titles. So this is a mat that can actually last you a very long time, and because it will stay stable in one place, the stitching is there to make sure that the ends don't come loose, and the surface itself is nice and textured that your mouse can track easily on it. Perhaps the best part is that this mat is completely washable. Given that it's black in color, it's bound to get dirty over a period of time, so you can just run this under a tap of water, take some soap to it and wash it, and you'll have the mat looking just like new. So that's a quick look at the Redgear MP35 large format gaming mouse mat, and hopefully you found this video informative, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.